Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm back with another video, and this is a little bit something else than you guys are used to of seeing on this channel. So I've ordered my very first wig. Yes, I've ordered a wig, guys, and I thought it would be really great to share with you guys how I am going to unbox this this wig package. So I just received the package thing. It's in a normal FedEx pack. So we're going to open it. So this is the box of the wig. I'm very excited, guys. It says female star hair, 100% human hair. So I'm going to open this. Okay. So yes. So the wig is like this in the box. It has a stocking cap with that, or there are two pieces in it. Okay, it's one size so it fits all. It's in color black. It also has the name of the company. I ordered this here on Aliexpress, and it's from the company called Female Star Hair. It says, "You have become our VIP customer. Thank you very much to buy our product. We can provide 24-hour service for you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us." Okay, and it says how to correctly comb the hair or the wig and how to wash it. So let's get to the main subject. So this is the pack of the wig I've ordered. And it is human hair in kinky curly in the length 20 inch, and the color is it's a natural color. And let's check it. So here, 20-inch wig. It has a net around it. This is 7A Glueless full lace human hair wigs in kinky curly 100% unproceed Brazilian virgin. I am going to wash this wig and braid my hair down, and I'm going to show you guys how I am going to install it on my hair, on my head. So see you soon. Bye guys.